So I'm going to try and document using CueCam, Video Pencil, and Shoot and see how the recording process goes. I'm going to start by just hitting the record button. So now I'm getting a recording, and that's great. And I don't have any indication though of levels or that it's actually going through. So what I often do is go into QuickTime and I'll bring up the QuickTime player and I'm getting levels. So I always start with this and I start recording here. So I'm recording now 3 ways. I'm recording on this guy, I'm recording into CueCam, and I'm recording into QuickTime. Oh, I love this, by the way, that I can share a script page without having to go to demo mode. This is great. I'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, there's ChatGPT. Here's a script that I'll just copy out. It looks like it's in markdown. So this I should be able to just paste in. Escape, paste. And here we go. Now I'm back in my app without having to go into demo mode. That's really cool. And I've got myself the beginnings of a script. So I'm going to just touch it up a little bit. And I'm still recording, which is great. So simple summary. And I'm going to go brain uses sugar. For energy. I've got my elements. And I think what I want to do in sharing this, I'm going to save. And it's going to be Stanford brain. Okay. So I'm recording on CueCam. I'm recording here, and I'm recording into QuickTime. All right. And this is the article that I was attracted to. It has to do with aging brains. I wonder why I'm interested. This research is saying they're able to now look inside at the sugars that coat each cell, which is pretty remarkable. It's like landing on a new planet, they say. It's like stepping outside for the first time and trying to make sense of what's out there. So the tools they have is they're able to see that each cell has a surface of sugars, and what their biological roles is they play like a forest that protects the cell and encourages communication. So our ability to have a robust forest of sugars around cells is inhibited as we get older. Our brain runs on glucose. It's our fuel. And it also protects the cells. And that protective layer starts to thin out or weaken as we get older. And this layer is called Glycocalyx. So when we're young, it's very thick, and then it becomes patchy as we get older. The Glycocalyx is like a forest. In young, healthy brains, the forest is lush and thriving. In older brains, it becomes sparse, patchy, and degraded. These changes weaken the blood-brain barrier, and the barrier becomes leaky with age. And so this work lays the foundation of a new field of inquiry into how the aging brain loses its resilience. Just remarkable. And there's a potential fix. They worked with aging mice When the team reintroduced critical mutants into age mice, they improved the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, which was protecting the brain, and reduced neuroinflation and measurably improved cognitive function. This reveals a new way to help aging brains stay healthy. Study shows that changing the brain's armor, that changes there are crucial to understand memory loss.